Cantera 5 House by Toru Arquitectos in Santiago de Querétaro, Mexico. Casa Cantera 5 is a project designed to provide the best way to live in a home. Being an investment project, it was necessary for the project and design to be attractive and functional for a family. The location in one of the most connected and privileged areas of Querétaro makes this project the perfect combination. Here we find natural lighting framed by large windows that help us connect the program. The wood and iron finishes provide a warm and clean feeling to the spaces. From the facade, we find neutral colors that highlight the main elements, such as the perota door with embedded details that give it movement, and a glass fixture that provides some lightness and pause from the solid materials, steel beams that we find in the garage roof, and the vegetation that brings life before entering the complex. As a first encounter, we are greeted by wooden stairs and an iron railing that connect us to a hallway that guides us through the large kitchen and the interior courtyard, to the public area that offers a large open space surrounded by windows, making it comfortable for hosting gatherings or for the whole family to be together. In the garden, we find a sober landscape where we opted for the use of crushed gravel and vegetation that provides a beautiful contrast, with the concrete wall highlighting the green tones. On the side of the house, we have private access to the service area and service room, which have an exterior connection to the kitchen. On the upper floor, we are welcomed by the TV room, which serves as a distributor for the 3 bedrooms, making this space a family gathering area. Here you can enjoy a movie with your family or a comfortable reading area. The large master bedroom has a horseshoe-shaped walk-in closet that connects to the double oval marble sink area, measuring over 3 meters, and mirrors with sensors that activate upon entering this area. The full bathroom of this bedroom, in addition to being well lit with natural light, has a space within the shower area complemented by a bench, making this space unique. The 2 secondary bedrooms are spacious, have natural ventilation and lighting, and each has a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. Every detail of Casa Cantera 5, from start to finish, was designed with the desire for its inhabitants to live in comfort and unity.